Hello guys! Mag-unboxing po tayo today and a first impression or walkthrough nitong washing machine. Yeah, ito ay Pujidenso na binili po ng ating wifey. Yan, so open natin. So I'll be doing this one hand, kaya pardon me. Yan, itig na siya doon. Yan. Oops! Over there. And oops, another here. Meron talaga one hand. Ayan. Oops! Nakita akong papel. What is that? The thing about my washing machine ref is meron silang strap nito na siya mo nga alisin para ma-unbox mo siya. Once na naalis mo siya, like so, is hilahin mo siya pataas. Hilahin mo siya pataas, like that. Yan. Hirap talaga, no? Anyway, yeah, you get a gist. So ito po yung kasama. Owner's manual, warranty card, hose para sa water supply. Yan. Tapos, yan, para sa drain. And ito yung kanyang nameplate. You can see it. Yan, 11 kilograms, 450 watts. Ang okay sa talagang design for Philippines is yung frequency niya dito sa electrical, 60 Hz. Iba kasi, like coming from Australia, 50 Hz yun. So pagdating dito, pwedeng uminit yung mga motor. Kaya, this is good. Although kung light duty lang naman yung mga paggagamitan mo, yung care should be fine. Pero pagka 60 Hz, as I understand it, iinit yung motor. So ito yung sa labas. Yan. So heavy duty daw siya, mega tab, tri-jet pulsator. Ipakita ko sa inyo ano yung sabihin nun. So ito yung pulsator niya, diba? This is the main one. Then meron siyang tatlong maliliit na umiikot. Pag umiikot siya mala, itong main, iikot din yan. So it helps in agitating the water. So yung body niya is made of plastic. Yan. Top and bottom. Tapos meron siyang plastic din na cover. Yan. Transparent. Maganda yung mga ganitong washing machine kasi hindi sila kinakalawang. We used to have a sharp na, I think mas malaki pa dito. No, it's 9 kg pala yun. Yung mga mechanism niya, electrical and all, it was okay. Pero bumigay yung body niya right here, sa baba. Yung plastic ata niya, yung bottom niya is plastic, but yung main body niya is made of metal, kaya kinalawang. So bumigay na siya. So this one is made of plastic, which is good. Tapos, again, go inside. Yan. Ito yung para sa lint. Yan. So, sa filter. Yan. So, yan. Alisin mo siya. And then, naalis yata ito. Yan. This one. Para malinis mo. And, ito yung mga controls niya. Dalawa lang. You have for the wash selector. So, meron siyang soft and normal. Then you have the drain. Yan. Yung ibang washing machine, meron siyang normal tsaka heavy. It's the same. May convention lang yan. And then, normally, mga washing machine, meron lang siyang 15-minute timer. This one, meron siyang option to soak wash up to 3 times. So, if you put it like 35 minutes, I think in between that is about 3 minutes. Yeah. So, yung normal niya na timer is 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Iba nga gusto na 30 minutes pa. Pag heavily soiled. Itong hose na maliit, papasok mo siya dito. And then you can connect it directly doon sa faucet. Yan. Kapag malapit sa lababo, pakita ko lang ilalim. Yan. So, yan. Wala namang papasukan yung daga. At the most siguro ipis pwede pumasok dito. But the rats and mice, hindi nila kaya pumasok. Maliliit. Yan. So, wala silang papasukan dyan. It's very secure. Yan. So, lagay na natin yung drain. Yan. Isin mo lang yan. Tapos, pasok mo to. Tapos yan. Push it as far as you can push. Yan. Medyo mahirap Tapos to secure it, ito yung kanyang clip. Yan. Make sure na pumasok siya dun sa may, make sure na secure siya. Pasok mo yung hose clip. And pwede mo gamitin. Sabit mo siya dito. Yan. Tapos yung wire, of course, dito siya. So, cut muna natin kasi hindi tayo mag-drain. Yan. Functional test muna tayo. Nakasaksak na yan. So, yan, normal. Soft. Alright. Yan. Mag-supply ang tubig. Kinonect ko dito sa hose. There. Yan. So, try natin mag-drain. Oops. Kailangan yung babae lang. Actually, yung mga taas to, pwede mo buhat all the time. Kasi yung ano naman niya, may drain naman siya. Yan. So, to turn it off, ano mo lang. Yan, tinitesting natin, sama na din yung hugas. So, nabula na yung sabon. Yan, may kasama din dito na spin dry. So, manual. Yes. Yeah, it's good. Malaki siya. So, you can wash blanket and mga bed sheets, bed sheets. So, yeah. It's a good buy, guys. And for the price pala, nabili namin ito sa Lazada. May promo sila when we bought it. And I think for some of you watching, abangan nyo yung 11/11 or 12/12. They offer 30% off. So we got this for 5,000 something. I think price. 5,048. Free shipping pa yun. Normally shipping nito if you're in Metro Manila is around 250 to maybe 350 pesos. I think the normal price is 7,700. May mga discount pa, so just 5,000 something. Yeah, it's a really good buy. So yeah, Fujidinso is a very good brand. Marami na kami na-try nito. May isa pala ako papakita sa inyo. Yan. So nakakabili naman ito, hose connector, quick connector. So gagawin mo lang is ipasok mo siya dito. Pasok mo sa ganyan, make sure na kapag pinasok mo siya, lumagpas siya dito sa o-ring na to, tsaka dito. Yan. Tapos, yung mga ganito, garden hose, madali naman siyang set up. Yan, tulad niyan. And mga quick connect naman yan. So, alisin mo lang dito. Tapos, connect mo siya dito. Yan. So, meron ka ng direct supply, hindi mo na hassle yung paglalagay ng tubig. So, kung gusto mo lagyan, turn on mo lang yung faucet. So, yan. That's very helpful and very convenient. Abot naman to hanggang doon. Doon namin ito nilalagay. Yeah, so ito yung garahe namin. Wala mga sakyan. But our laundry actually is inside the house. But this is just for, backup. So, thank you guys.